back to my channel. My name is Cheyenne. For everyone who's new here, welcome. In today's video, we will be transforming my, I don't want to call it a dining room because I have a formal dining room, kitchen nook area, kitchenette area, whatever you want to call it. But yes, so that's what we'll be doing in this video. And I know it's been a minute since I've uploaded. Long story short, I sprained my ankle, and baby, my ankle, I was out for the count. So I just want to say thank you guys for sticking with me and rocking with me. I am back. My ankle is doing so much better. Anyways, I'm back. So back to doing DIY projects, back to transforming. I recently did my kitchen and I got my backsplash done. So I definitely have some videos coming for you guys. But yeah, let's get into the video. And if you're new, please share, subscribe, like. If you are interested in home decor, I do all things home decor, DIY projects. I kind of want to start throwing some family stuff in there as well, but definitely like, share, and subscribe, and thank you. So if you want to see how I transform this to that, stay tuned. Okay, so this is what the previous owners had this space looking like prior to. We were able to get all the shiplap down, take the light fixtures and remove and replace them. We, of course, put our own furniture and decor in. And the space just still wasn't giving what I wanted to give. Like, I don't know if it was the yellow throwing me off, but I had to change it. So I took everything down. Oh, and another thing, my curtains, I bought these curtains off of Amazon. And I think they were 95 inches. They still were not touching the ground. I do not like curtains that do not go from ceiling to floor. I just can't do it. Word of advice, always measure before you purchase, because if I would have measured, I wouldn't have wasted my time or my money putting those curtains up, knowing they wasn't going to hit the ground. But I still hung them up, got my little time's worth, my money's worth, even though I probably could have returned them. But if y'all like me, returning stuff is a full-time job. So I got my money's worth. I knew I was going to change them, and that was that. But back into this rug. So I got the rug off of Amazon as well. I just wanted to add a little texture and a little razzle-dazzle to the room, which it did. This table was extremely heavy to move, but one thing about it, I'm gonna make it do what it do. So once I placed the rug in the center where I wanted it, I was attempting to slide the table back over little by little. This table almost took me out, but I was not gonna ask my husband for help, because as soon as you ask him for help, he want to start taking credit. Oh, I did this. I'm the one who did it. You ain't did nothing but one thing. Okay guys, so I'm just cleaning my chairs with an all-purpose spray and the Sponge Daddy sponge, so it has that hard gritty texture to it, just to get whatever's stuck on the chairs or whatever the case may be, which shouldn't be nothing, because I keep telling these kids, be careful with my chairs. But the lines on the chair just give me that same satisfaction when you're vacuuming the carpet and you trying to get those perfect lines, and then here come your kids running and jumping, messing it up. Okay guys, let's get into these curtains. Here's a close-up of just how I attach the curtains to the rod, like how they're you can either use the loops or there's an actual insert that you can use, but they're so luxe. Hey KJ. It's so funny because the kids see me doing what I'm doing, recording or decorating, they just mind their business. But the curtains are a luxe, like they're so luxurious. They're velvet and they match the chairs to a T. I absolutely love them. Amazon came through with this one. Okay, so after I struggled and got those curtains up, I wanted to go ahead and start setting the table. I got these silver plates from Dollar Tree. I didn't want the table to be set too classy. I didn't want the wine glasses, the forks. It's not a tea party. So don't get me wrong. When I do see people, you know, set the table like a full setting, it gives, but I got kids. So I definitely wanted this table to still be functional and still cute. So I just got these silver mats from Amazon. Y'all know I love Amazon. It's convenient, it's easy. Whatever I want, I type it in and it pop up, boom. But yeah, so I just got these little napkin holders and the napkin. I literally got all of this from Amazon except the plates. I got them from Dollar Tree. So yeah, it's super cute but simple. This is literally the perfect example of why I need to start measuring. Look how I measure that. I just be eyeing stuff. But yeah, I put everything up. I went to the back, I looked at it, and I was like, took everything down. But it's literally trial and error. I always say everything is trial and error. I put something up and I'll see something in my head and I'm like, that's not what I wanted. But second time's a charm. I started over and boom, it was done. If you can see back here to my left, your right, I did do a little DIY bar area, which I will not be showing in this video. I'm going to do a separate video for that. So if you kind of want to see how I did that bar, which is super easy and simple and cheap, stay tuned for the next video because I will not be going into detail in this video, but stay tuned for the rest of the details.